This video walks you through how to customize invoices in QuickBooks Online. Begin by signing in to QuickBooks Online and opening the correct company. If you manage more than one company, make sure you are in the right one before changing anything, since the invoice style you save will apply there. Next, go to the upper right corner and click the Settings gear icon. In that menu, select Custom Form Styles. This area stores the templates used for forms such as invoices, so it is where you can create a new look or adjust an existing one. Click New Style, then choose Invoice. That opens the Invoice Customization Editor, where you can control the appearance and the information shown on the form. Start with the design options. Upload your business logo if you want it to appear on the invoice. Then choose a color that matches your branding and select a font that is clear when viewed on screen or in print. The goal here is to make the invoice recognizable and readable without adding visual clutter. Move to the header section and review the information shown there. Check that your business name and address are displayed correctly. Also confirm that the customer billing information, invoice number, invoice date, and due date appear in the places you expect. This is the area customers usually scan first, so accuracy matters. After that, customize the invoice table. Select the columns you want to include, such as description, quantity, rate, and amount. If tax or discount details apply to your invoices, turn those on as well so the totals are clear. If the available options allow it, adjust the column labels or the order of the columns to match the terms your business uses. This can help the invoice line items look more consistent with the way you refer to products or services elsewhere. Then review the footer. Add the information that belongs at the bottom of the invoice, such as payment terms, payment instructions, late fee details, or a short thank you message. Keep this section focused on details the customer may need after reviewing the charges. If you accept online payments through QuickBooks, make sure the invoice shows the appropriate payment option or any related instructions. That way, the customer sees the payment path directly on the form. Use the preview to check the full invoice before saving it. Look at the totals, contact information, and payment details and make sure they are easy to find. Also check that the layout does not feel crowded. When the invoice looks the way you want, click Done to save the style. After that, the customized template can be selected when you create invoices, which helps keep a consistent appearance across customer billing. Thanks for watching. Your customized invoice template is now saved in QuickBooks Online and ready to use when creating invoices.